How pretty is that thing? It's not if a pivot breaks down, it's when it breaks down. Later that afternoon, one of them broke down. Now we head out to the great unknown. So we're going to replace them with the CX coupler from UMC. What's great about these CX couplers is everything is the same bolt size. They'll slide right on here. One bolt, 2 bolts over here. These are almost a game changer in the field, just because your resources are a little limited out here. Slightly snug so they don't fall apart. This just pops off like that. There we go. See how it sits in there? See how it sits in there nice? And then I can just set this guy. Should be able to sit him on there. And two bolts. And they are bolts that are like carriage head, I believe is what you call it. That will lock in there so you don't even have to have the backside. That's it's the little things that you don't realize that make a lot of difference, because having that is just another thing you don't have to get egged out. On these square shafts, these drive shafts that go to the gearbox, there's different sizes in the industry. So these will be able to accommodate 3/4, 7/8, and up to an inch square shaft. So not only is it handy, it's one size fits all. Set you guys over here on the other side and we'll do the same thing.